All souls, welcome to my channel Tarot Kiran. I am Neelam. First of all, I would love to thank you all for your overwhelming response to my video. Gratitude for your love, likes, shares and support. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Now a quick disclaimer, Tarot and Cartomancy is a game and guidance for entertainment. I am not any social, medical, financial or legal expert. The readings given here are for entertainment purpose. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Finally, it's your intention and your action that are important. Energies are always in fluid. Nothing is permanently written on the stone. Keep in mind this and enjoy the video. Today we are doing pick a card reading for the month of September. There are 3 piles to choose from. Pile 1, Crossroad, Pile 2, Waves, Pile 3, Harvest. Take 3 mindful breaths and pick the pile that resonates with you. After the tarot reading, after the reading of the card, I will also do your chants. Let us begin with a small prayer. I ask to be surrounded with divine love and light, and now I invite my team of guides and angels to please come in and connect with me. Help me to tune into your love, guidance and wisdom through this card reading in a way that will bring blessing to everyone involved. Help me to stay in the place of love awareness so I may directly tune into your messages through this reading. Now for those of you who have chosen pile 1, with Crossroad, let us see what is the month of September bringing for you. Give me 3 cards for pile number 1, please. Give me 1 more card for pile number 1. Okay, and we had this extra card, this High Priest. And back of the deck is the Empress. Your first card is 9 of Pentacles, then you have Ace of Cups, then the Hanged Man, let us begin with 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles is for financial gains and social presence. This is earth energy, and you are reaching into your material success. You have worked very hard, and now you are going to reap the reward of the same hard work. There is a new beginning in the love relationship. You might be meeting a new love interest. Ace of Cup indicates that. If you're planning to get married, this is the right time for you to meet the girl or the boy whom you want to get married. There is also indication of a starting of a new friendship. For some of you, it will be starting of a new friendship. Now this Hanged Man here has come with the energy of telling you that the come in the intuition, feel what your higher self is trying to tell you, and then make a decision. You might be, some of you might be thinking about making some important decision about which you are not sure what to do. And High Priestess here again comes to tell you that you must come into the light of your intuition, and your intuition and higher self will guide you what to do. Now When we began, you had chosen crossroad. Crossroad here tells you that there is some decision about which you are not sure. Some of you might be confused over which way to go. It can be in the realm of your love life, or it can be, for some of you, it can be in the realm of your material life or your business. So you need to choose wisely. Let us see some explanation for the hangman. Please explain the hangman. Please explain the hangman for pile number 1. Please explain the hangman for pile number 1. 7 of Cups. You have too many choices, too many commitment, too many issues hovering near you, and as I am able to see that this decision can be related to your love and relationship life, related to your heart issues. Let us ask the card. Please explain pile number 1, Hanged Man. Please explain pile number 1, Hanged Man. Please give me one more card. One card for pile number 1. So there is a third party situation in your love life, and you have to make a quick decision in this connection. So overall the energy is very good for you. You are coming into material abundance. There is chance for some of you to get married very soon, but you are standing at a crossroad, and there are all kind of energies mixed here, but in matter of your heart, in the matter of your relationship, you have to make the wise choices. Let us see what your charms have to say. Okay, you're going to reap the reward. You're coming into wisdom. There is a love relationship, so it seems that if you're wanting to get married, you should be marrying. There's definitely a love relationship, and very soon the engagement. And if you're wanting to get married, you should listen to your heart, and there's a turning of time. Time is turning for you for becoming good, and this, you will nail this relationship. And if you're doing any business deal, starting any business partnership, definitely you will nail it, and you will gain material success. Thank you, pile number 1. Now let me come to the pile number 2. Let me remove these first. Very nice reading for pile number 1. A lot of material abundance for you, and there are chances for your love relationship to blossom. Now pile number 2 with waves. Now let me remove this. Pile number 2 with waves. This is Osho Zen Tarot. This is relatively new for me. I may have to refer to the book to give you the reading. Please give me, oh, there's so much of energy here for you, so much of energy here. Angels are happy with you. Please give me, okay, there are 2 jumper cards, so I'll take this one, success. Please give me one more card for pile number 2, waves. Please give me one more card for pile number 2, and the source, that is the sunlight. Please give me one more card for pile number 2, one more card for pile number 2. Okay, Another jumper card, flowering. So you are coming as a victor. You have worked very hard in the past few months, and now you are going to reap the benefit and rewards of your hard work. You're coming into great success, great life, and you are coming as a victor. You have overcome great difficulties. You have mastered not only the elements, but you have mastered yourself. The source, the sun, the source of life, the source of energy is itself guiding you. You are into the light, you are into the enlightenment. If any of you have been endeavoring to come into the spirituality, now your third eye is awakening. You're coming to the spiritual self. Your enlightenment point has just reached, and in the month of September, definitely you will be more spiritual. If you're working on some spiritual thing, like you're working on divination, or you're trying to write some book, definitely you will be starting this. And the next card is a rainbow card, that is flowering, so reaching to a completion. Some of you who are trying to start a family, go on the family way, will have a good news of pregnancy, or there is going to be a new child in your family. Those of you who have been working in the field of spirituality will awaken their third eye chakra and the crown chakra, and connecting to their heart chakra also. Now let us see what this movement here indicates. Movement here indicates high spirituality, awakening of spirituality. You know, when there is a lot of whirlpool, so in the whirlpool comes up the cream, or you can say the jewels which are hidden inside. So there was a world inside you. You have done a lot of thinking, a lot of research work, a lot of work on yourself. Now the jewels which were hidden inside you are coming to the top. This is a beautiful reading. Congratulations, pile number 2. Now let me do your charms also. Let us see what the charms have to say. Okay, there is a crown, beautiful crown, money, abundance, but the head side has come up. There is a button, there is a chain coin, and again the inside has come up. The starfish, wheel, clover, and a smiling face. So, Om, turtle, there is, as I said, in your cards had indicated, there is opening of the heart chakra. So there's opening of the heart chakra. You're cutting the bonds. You're cutting the bonds of your previous life karma. Now you're coming in light. You're now the enlightened self. Now you're the king. Now you're the king. You are the victorious person. The wheels have turned in your favor. The wheels have turned in your favor. There are many indications of cutting. You have cut the cord of your past karma. Your third eye chakra, your crown chakra is awakening. Your heart chakra is awakening. For some of you, there are chances of getting married or getting engaged, or if there for some of you, I see that if there were the relationship which were broken, now you have come to the compromise, or you have come to the understanding that relationship have to be mended. So you're going to mend the relationship. You're coming into abundance. It is not only abundance of the word, it is also the abundance of knowledge, abundance of wisdom, and the balance of yin and yang, balance of both masculine and feminine energy. And yes, there is material abundance also. So this is what I can get from your charms. A very beautiful reading for pile number 2. This was my favorite pile. Now let us come to the pile number 3. Pile number 3, Harvest. And this is my new deck, Indian Tarot Mystic Tarot. It has a lot of Indian imagery, and these cards are rather big for me to handle. Give me one card for pile number 3. Okay, we have one jumper card. This is Ace of Sword, beginning of the new enterprise. You being as a victor. Those who are planning to start a business will be starting a business very soon. I feel this business will be started individually. Give me one more card for pile number 3, please. Give me one more card for pile number 3. Give me one more card. Okay, the next card is 5 of Swords. You're working very hard. You're working very hard, and you're ready to give a fight. You're ready to give a fight, and definitely you will be victorious. The enterprise you will start will see some tough time for some of you. Card number 3 is Ace of Cups. Wow, 2 aces. 2 aces. Definitely you're going to be starting something new in the material world also, and I also see in the life of your love and life of your relationship. But in between, you will have to fight with the locust of the time, but you will be victorious. You're not giving up, you're fighting, and you're supported by the universe. Universe is supporting you here in your battle, so there's no need to worry. Some of you will find that your emotional side is awakening, your heart chakra is awakening. Some of you will be coming into the material success. You have worked very hard, and you're going to reap the reward of your hard work. You're coming into the material abundance of love. Abundance is not only in the sense of material world, but also in the sense of spiritual world. And definitely you have abundance of energy to fight with any problem that may arise in the way. So there is not much to worry about. I love these cards. These are giving more of the Indian imagery, so I resonate more with it. Now let us do your charms. Oh, a lot have come for you. Oh my God, the angels are here to give you the blessing. You are facing both the world with equal aplomb. Oh, there is some sadness, because I think because you had some struggle. You are defeating your enemies. You are coming into the knowledge. You are taking rest now. That time has come for you to take rest, because you're going to reap the reward of your hard works. Rest, definitely you can rest. Sowing the old A broken relationship, material success. There is communication, there is a lot of communication at this time for you. There is growth. This is the time of your growth, a time of quick movement. I see a lot of abundance. Some of you might be traveling, and as the previous card also told you, the relationship, new relationship is beginning. Or if you're already in the relationship, maybe you're finalizing things, you're getting engaged or getting married. You're coming into good luck. Good luck is promised to you. Again, energy of heart. And definitely, as you saw, this card, this charm resonates so much with the card that came here. See the card that came here. You are victorious, Ace of Sword. So victory is yours if you're starting a new business, and if you have been working very hard, those of you who have been working very hard to achieve the success, this is the time to achieve the success, reap the benefits of your hard work. Emotional abundance is there. You're growing spiritually, you're also growing, you're becoming big, and there is a lot of communication coming your way, and you're defeating the people who have wronged you. Abundance is here, you see, abundance. And the time to rest, after working so hard, the time to rest, and the angels have come to bless you. Thank you, pile number 3. I thank you all for coming to this reading. I wish it resonates with you. Take what resonates with you, leave the rest. And till the next time, bye bye.